I am Lakshmi Prasanna, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Now, we will see how to conduct an experiment on 8051 microcontroller. We will write an assembly language program to perform arithmetic and logical operations on 8051 microcontroller. And this is 8051 microcontroller trainer board provided by ESA. So if you observe this IC, this is 8051 microcontroller, and these are the ports which are used to connect the peripheral devices. So you need to use this keyboard in order to type the program, and this is the keyboard port. You need to connect keyboard to this port, and whatever you type here, that instructions will be displayed on this display. And the power supply required for this 8051 microcontroller is 5 volts. So because of that, you need to use regulated power supply which will produce 5 volts DC supply. And this RPS should be connected to the power supply port of 8051 microcontroller trainer board. Now, we will write an assembly language program to perform arithmetic and logical operations by using this keyboard that can be seen on this display. Now we will type the program for addition operation. So before typing the program, first you have to press reset. So after pressing reset, you can observe here ESA 51E. It represents 51 means it is 8051 microcontroller that is provided by ESA Private Limited. So after pressing reset, you have to type A. So A represents it is assembler address. Then give space and then give the address where you are entering the program. So after pressing the address, I have given 8000. Then you have to press enter. So you can observe here 8000. In this 8000 location, memory location, you have to type the program. Let us type addition program now. So the instruction move A, hash 03. After pressing one instruction, you have to click enter. Next instruction move B, hash 02. Then press enter. Next instruction add A, B. Next enter. And the last instruction is L call 03. So this instruction is the end of the program. So after typing the complete program, you have to press 2 times enter button. So after pressing 2 times enter button, you have to click in the keyboard escape. You have to click in the keyboard escape. Then we will get on the display this symbol. So if you observe this symbol, then you have to type G. So G represents go. That means it is going to compile. G space, where you have written the program, it is in 8000 location. Now you have to press 8000. So after pressing 8000, G space 8000, then click enter. So you can observe here on the display user break occurred at the rate 800A. So if you observe such command, you have to press on the key on the board break button. So if you click break button, then on the keyboard you click enter. So you can observe such symbol on the display. Then you have to click R. R represents register because you are going to see the result in register. So after typing R, you have to press enter. Then you can see the result in the register A according to the program. So you have taken number 3 and number 2 as the inputs. If you perform the addition operation, you can observe 05 as a result and it will be stored in A register. And you have to note down in the observation table A register and the output is 05. So this is how you have to perform the addition operation. So if you click enter like this, on the display you can observe another registers like B, SP, PSW, DPH, DPL. All these are the registers you can observe because all these are the registers available in 8051 microcontroller. But only thing is we have to note down A register where our result 05 is stored. Again, if you want to perform the subtraction operation, you have to clear the entire thing. So because of that, you have to first press reset. Again, the new procedure will start. Now you have to type the subtraction program. So first instruction, what you have to do is, after pressing the reset, again you have to go for typing A space 8000, where you have to give the assembler address location and it is 8000. Then press enter. So in place of 8000, now you are going to store the subtraction program. So for the subtraction program, move A comma hash 05 is the first instruction. Next input is move B comma hash 02 is the second instruction. To perform subtraction operation, SUB B A comma B is the next instruction to perform subtraction, and the last instruction is L call space 03. So that is the end of the program. So after typing the complete program, you have to click 2 times enter button. After clicking 2 times enter button, you have to click escape on the keyboard. So on the keyboard, you click escape. So on the display, if you click escape, you can see such symbol. If you observe this symbol, then you have to compile. So to compile, it is G space 8000 because you have written the subtraction program in 8000. Then click enter. So if you observe user break occurred, we have to press the break button. So after pressing the break button, then click enter. So you can observe such symbol on the display. Then you have to see the result in the registers. So you have to press R. So after pressing R, click enter. You can observe the result in the register A. So you have taken 2 inputs. One is 5, another one is 2. If you perform the subtraction operation, the result will be 03, and that result 03 will be stored in A register. Now, so in order to perform the next arithmetic operation, multiplication, again you have to clear the entire thing in the microcontroller. So for that, you have to click reset. Now we will write the program for multiplication operation. So for the multiplication operation, you are going to use DPTR register. So the execution procedure will be somewhat different. Now let us type the program for multiplication. So move DPTR comma hash 9000. So before typing the multiplication program, so you have to give the assembler address. So A space 8000 is the assembler address I am giving. Then press enter. So in the place of 8000 address, you need to type the multiplication program. So it is move DPTR comma hash 9000. Next move X A comma @ DPTR. Next, move F0, comma A. Next, increment DPTR. Next instruction, move A, comma at DPTR. Enter. To perform multiplication operation, mul. So since the error has occurred, again you have to type the instruction, move x A, comma at the rate DPTR. So if you are typing any mistake, it will show the error. Then you press enter and write the instruction correctly again. Mul AB to perform the multiplication operation, and the last instruction is lcall 03. So that is the last instruction in the program. So after typing the complete program, you have to press 2 times enter button. Then you have to press escape on the keyboard. Then we will get such symbol on the display. So since you are using DPTR here, the procedure differs from here. If you observe this symbol, then you write MD space DPTR address. So in the program you have taken the DPTR address as 9000. So you have to enter 9000 as the address location. So after pressing MD space DPTR address, you have to click enter. So here it will ask us the 2 inputs what we have to give. So I am taking here 2 inputs as 02 as one input, then click enter. It will ask the second operand, then give another input 03, then click enter. So after giving the 2 inputs, you click the escape button on the keyboard, then you have to compile. To compile, you have to type G space 8000. So because in 8000 location, you have written the multiplication program. So after pressing G space 8000, you have to click the enter button. So you can observe here, user break occurred at 800Z. If you observe this command, you have to press the break button on the board. So after pressing the break button, you have to click enter. So you can observe such symbol. You have to type R because you are going to see the result in the register. R. So after pressing R, then click enter. So you can observe the result in A register as 06. So in the multiplication, you have taken the 2 inputs. One is 02 and another one is 03. If you perform the multiplication operation, the result will be 06 and that result will be stored in A register. So like this, you have to perform the arithmetic and logical operations on 8051 microcontroller.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.